Great, day number 3. Look at this, we got ready for this area, and also the guys poured the sidewalk already. Look at this, the concrete is ready there. They actually got the whole area for the sidewalk done. Now the next step is going to be tomorrow. We're going to power wash the patio and then apply the sealer, and then this one is going to be ready. And after that, we can start now on this area and the other one on the other side. Because the owner wants an area when they can put the garbage cans. So we just, I think it's 6 feet more than enough. They can put the garbage cans right there, and really comfortable going back to the garage. Just set the garbage cans there and just leave it there. Nobody see them.
Yeah.
Loaded.
Yeah. What?
Another thing that we're doing, you see the little section? We're gonna do pavers there because I'm gonna put a bench. Same thing in this corner. We're gonna do a little corner of pavers. The idea by doing, the purpose to doing pavers is because the customer, the client is not 100% sure if they're gonna stay with plants or concrete. So the best solution is like, what if we do a little patio and then you can put a bench there, maybe a pot there with the flowers. If you don't like that, I don't know, a couple of years or any month, couple months, you don't like this, we can remove the pavers and then just put a stone and then more plants. And they actually like the idea. So that's the plan right there.
Yeah.
So the next step is going to be, like I said, finish this area and the other one, the big driveways. The problem that we have is like tomorrow is supposed to rain. So we are hoping, and we're going to check the weather by the end of the day, that the rain is going to be, going away or something. Hopefully it doesn't rain. So we can install the driveway and we are ready to go. I think we're going to be actually finished by Friday. But let's see what the weather is going to do. But that's pretty much it. Stay tuned for the final video today, and also let's see what will happen tomorrow. Hopefully the rain is not gonna mess everything up. And after we do the job, let's see. Nothing like a good lunch. We're gonna eat today. Look at this. Nice lunch. Carne asada.
Okay.